Hey, have you heard about the revolutionary agri-business called hydroponics? The best part is you can start an agri-business without being a farmer. My name is Amit Kumar Verma. I am CEO at Brio Hydroponics with decade plus experience in high-tech farming and commercial hydroponics. I'm here to help you become a successful agri-business entrepreneur. Hydroponics farming is a lucrative business in which anyone from any background can join and thrive. Are you interested in learning it? Join our upcoming Commercial Hydroponics Workshop on June 4, 2023 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, where you can gain valuable knowledge and skills to enter the field of success. In the workshop, you will learn about hydroponics and the business economics. You will also visit our high-tech commercial farms where you will gain good exposure, making it easier to start your commercial hydroponics farming business. It is a fantastic opportunity to learn from the industry's best. So take the first step towards financial freedom and register now.